The platform includes a powerful tool called the Formula Builder. Look for the hammer in the control properties on fields that support dynamic formulas. Clicking the hammer will display a window with more options. Use the large text box in the center of the screen to build your formulas. The drop-down on the left contains all fields from your form. The drop-down on the right is loaded with all available functions. The small bubble icon inserts a function that allows you to comment out portions of your logic. Let's build a conditional function to display text based on a field answer. The conditional function can be found under the logic group in the functions dropdown. You can select if from the dropdown or begin typing the function and pressing the tab key on your keyboard. Note that there are three parameters: condition, true value, and false value. For condition, select grand total from the left drop-down. Insert a greater than operator and the number 1000. For the true value parameter, replace it with the phrase "great work" surrounded by single quotes. For the false value parameter, replace it with the phrase "maybe next time" surrounded by single quotes. Here's how the function will work. If the grand total is greater than 1000, then set the field's value to "great work." If not, then set it to "maybe next time." Click Apply to save the function and then save the form. Check the result by testing the form.